Equal justice under the law would mean that everyone who enters into the system is entitled to everything that anybody else can provide. Because the state has unlimited resources. The government has unlimited resources. The executive branch has unlimited resources. To provide equal opportunity, equal justice under the law would mean that if you charge a defendant, if you accuse someone and you have the prospect of being able to take their life, their liberty, then they should have equal access or the equal ability to challenge your allegation. That would make it equal justice under the law. But what do you have? You have the average defendant, it winds up with a public defender who's an underpaid legal servant who has 60 or 70 cases. And so by the time they get around to your case, the state is 27 steps ahead and they're scrambling trying to catch up. People always ask me, why would he take a plea? And I always say it this way. If you have a situation where you believe that you can't win, even if you're innocent, what would you do? There are not that many principled people out there. There are not that many people out there who would say, I don't care. I'd rather go to prison for the next 20 years than to take a felony conviction and say that I did something that I didn't do. I know some guys right now who would say they killed John F. Kennedy and they're 19 years old if the number was right, because they just cannot afford to contest their case and they don't have either the ability or the trust in their legal team or the legal representation to be able to fight back. My father used to tell me, where there's life, there's hope. And even in criminal justice, there's hope. One of the things that you have in the system is, at some point, if you contest it, you still have layers. So you're always in there hoping that it will eventually turn in your direction. So you have to have some level of hope that somewhere in there people will see the system or see your case for what it really is, and then see you for what you really are. Hopefully a human being who just really needs a break or looking for a shot or looking to be seen or heard. And sometimes when you're in the criminal justice system, your indictment number is so-and-so and so-and-so, and you're never seen as that particular person. So if you lose hope, I can understand why. But once you're in it, you can't afford. You got to fight like hell to get out.